This is like looking like a weird like hybrid between Bump It, like, you know, or like those like sock buns or something. I don't know. Ariana Grande's ponytail is basically an extension of her like actual body at this point.
It is long. It grazes the top of her butt in a way that I find very enviable. What I've read about her hairstylist, I think he has said that the height of her ponytail is like a mood ring. So I guess if it's higher, it's good. If it's lower, she's in a different place.
The one thing I will say is that I am like crying for her edges whenever like I see that pony, because I mean, it's gotta be like really like pulling it up there. Ooh. This feels like some high quality shit. Okay.
Let's just... Oh no.
What is happening here?
This feels like a test that I'm gonna fail.
Oh my god. Should I just do it like this maybe? Oh,
no.
Okay, I did something wrong.
Since I have not been able to figure out how to wrap this shit up and around the bun, what I'm doing instead is doing like a double, like a layer situation.
Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a pin in and just try to like style it in like a mock pony.
Oh, hello. Excuse me. This looks like garbage. Not the hair's fault. Purely my fault. Like, this looks like a bad Amy Winehouse costume.
So if I do this, it almost looks like I didn't completely fuck everything up. You just have to, you know, I just have to block everything that I actually worked on. And it looks pretty cool.
And I've just ruined $200 worth of hair and my dignity. I have never felt more like Ariana Grande. This is what it feels like to date Pete Davidson. The hair is so long that it is skirted past my ass and is now brushing the backs of my knees, which is, I suppose, if you are gonna do this, this is how it should be done.
I think Ariana Grande wears her hair like this because it makes her taller.
What I was hoping to achieve was to have it be like so, like tight, like dance recital tight.
And it looks like a bird nest, but having really long hair does make me feel like a baddie for real. Like, I can't stop touching my hair.
And when I release my hand, you have like post-gym